back to our channel. We have been discussing trigonometry for quite some time. Now it is time for something really important and interesting. Why important? Because there will be many questions जिसमें आपको ये values direct put करके आपका question solve हो जाएगा. And why interesting? Because मैं आपको एक ऐसे trick बताऊंगी जिससे आपको ये table याद करने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ वो trick याद करके पूरी table बना सकते हैं. So let's see what it is. कौन से 6 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज पढ़े हैं हमने? साइन, कॉस, टैन और फिर इनके रेसिप्रोकल्स कोसेक, सेक, कॉट. आपको किन किन एंगल्स पे ये वैल्यूज याद करने की जरूरत है? दैट इज 0 डिग्रीज, 30 डिग्रीज, 60, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. Now आपने कई बार टीचर्स को बोलते हुए सुना होगा कि सिर्फ साइन की वैल्यू याद कर लो, फिर कॉस उसका उल्टा, फिर टैन साइन अपॉन कॉस. दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली फाइन. बट मैं आपसे क्या बोल रही हूँ, आपको साइन की वैल्यू याद करने की भी जरूरत नहीं है. हाउ यू कैन डू इट सिंपली इज जस्ट राइट नंबर्स फ्रॉम 0 to 4. ठीक है? Easy, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Divide all of them by 4. Easy? And put the square root sign on all of them. Okay? So, let's see what we get. 0 by 4, no questions around. It is 0. 1 by root of 4. Root of 1 is 1. Yeah. Root of 1 is 1 and root of 4 is 2. We can simply cancel this out. This is nothing but 1 by root 2. Root of 3 would be remaining as it is and root of 4 is nothing but 2. This, no questions asked. Root of 1 is 1. Easy, right? So you have got the values of sine without remembering it, just by remembering the logic. Now cos is as it is. You have to write it in the reverse order. So here we write 1. Here goes root 3 by 2. This will remain as it is. 1 by 2 and 0. Coming to tan, it is nothing but sine by cos as we know it from ratios. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2 and root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out. So this is 1 by root 3. 1, root 2 and root 2 will cancel out. So this is nothing but 1. Root 3 by 2, अगर आपको दिक्कत हो रही है तो ये 2 से 2 cancel हो जाएगा. This would be root 3. If you have a problem, what you can do is you can simply divide it. Okay? So what will happen? Since this is in division, it will reciprocal and become 2 by 1 and this will cancel out. Okay? So this was just for showing it to you what I am meaning by divide. As of now I'll just leave it as root 3. Okay? 1 by 0 is not defined. Anything you will divide by 0, it is not defined. Moving on. Cosec is nothing but reciprocal of sine. So it will again become, this is not, if there is nothing you can write it 0 by 1, right? So this will become 1 by 0. Again it is not defined. This will become 2 by 1, this will become root 2, this would become 2 by root 3 and this would remain as 1. Right? Moving on. Coming to sec. Sec is what? It's reciprocal of cos. So 1 by 1 is 1. Reciprocal 2 by root 3. Reciprocal root 2 by 1 or just root 2. Reciprocal 2. Reciprocal again not defined. Coming to cot. Now this is cot is nothing but reciprocal of tan, right? So 1 by 0 would again be not Define. 1 by root 3 or reciprocal would be root 3. Reciprocal of 1 remains 1. Reciprocal of reciprocal of root 3 would become 1 by root 3, and this is nothing but 1 by 0. So reciprocal of 1 by 0 would be 0.